Have you ever noticed that today, everyone is demanding their rights, but are we fulfilling our duties? Do you know that Islam emphasizes the fulfillment of duties rather than demanding rights? Let's understand how fulfilling our duties can establish peace and justice in the world. Have you ever thought about the profound change that could occur in society if everyone started fulfilling their duties? We will take you on a journey to understand, in the light of the Quran and Hadith, why we should focus on fulfilling our duties rather than fighting for our rights. Today's world is a world of demands for rights. Everyone is asking for their rights, running movements, protesting, and going on strikes. Associations are being formed, often named Association for the Protection of Rights. But today, there is no association for the fulfillment of duties. The Quran states that everyone should fulfill their duties. If everyone fulfills their duties, all rights will be fulfilled. Workers, capitalists, men, and women all should be concerned with fulfilling their duties. In our times, when someone raises the flag of reform, their wish is for the other person to start the reform. But the Holy Quran instructs, "O you who have believed, take care of yourselves, do your duty, your duties are upon you." The teachings of the Holy Prophet, PBUH, emphasize that everyone should fulfill their duties. Even the Zakat collectors were instructed not to be unjust, and those giving Zakat were advised to please the collectors. In Shariah, the entire focus is on ensuring that everyone fulfills their duties. Every act must be accounted for before Allah. The philosophy of religion is that each person should fulfill their duties rather than continuously demanding their rights from others. Today, we need to reflect on whether we are fulfilling our duties. If everyone fulfills their duties, peace and justice will be established in the world. Thank you for watching this video and share your thoughts with us.